Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google's Gemini APIs into your apps in 2025. The Gemini is Google's most powerful AI model yet, and it's great for text, reasoning, images, even code. And with the API, you can connect it to your apps, websites, or workflows. So first, you can go to the Google AI Studio, this page, aistudio.google.com/app/API key, and get your Gemini API key. You can just click on this one, get API key right here, and agree to this, and click on I accept. Okay, so this is the API case. You can just copy it. Click on this copy to clipboard options because you'll need it for every request. And after that, you can just install the required library. So if you are using Node.js, you can install the official Google AI client. And after that, you can just write your first request. So you can just copy it and apply it to your apps. Basically, after you get the API access, you can just set up your projects, and if you're coding in Python, you can just install the official SDK. And if you are using Node, you can just run the API and you'll see Gemini generating a response instantly. So after that, you can integrate Gemini into your apps. For example, in a chatbot, you can just connect the API to your front end so users can chat with AI. And in a mobile app, you can call the Gemini endpoint when users type or speak. In a web app, you can use Gemini to summarize data, generate content, or assist users. And if you hit issues, you can double check your API key. Make sure your model name matches, and you need to use clear structure prompt for better results. And that's how you can integrate the Gemini API into your apps in 2025. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.